Prepare 250 grams of stir-fried beef. Add a tablespoon of soy sauce, a tablespoon of cooking wine, a teaspoon of sesame oil, and a teaspoon of cornstarch. Mix well and marinate for 15 minutes. Prepare 3 branches of spring onion, cut into pieces around 2 inches length. Then separate the white part and green part of the spring onion. We will cook the white part first because it will take longer time to be cooked. If the white part of the spring onion is too big, then cut it into half. It will be easier for stir fry. Heat up the wok, add the cooking oil. Heat up the cooking oil and spread around the wok. Then add the beef. Spread the beef evenly on the wok, then cook it in medium heat for about 1 minute. No need to do anything. After that, stir fry the beef for about 30 seconds to 1 minute until it is half cooked. As long as you heat up the wok and oil properly, the beef wouldn't stick on the wok. Set aside when it's half cooked. Awesome! After that, in the same wok, add a little bit of oil. Add the white part of the spring onion, 3 cloves of garlic cut into small pieces, and 2 slices of ginger. Stir fry in medium heat for about 1 minute until the spring onion is not raw. Then add the beef. Stir fry for 10 seconds to combine. The green part of spring onion. Stir fry for 10 seconds to combine. After that, add 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, a tablespoon of soy sauce, add it on the side to release aroma, half teaspoon of sugar, and a pinch of salt to bring out the flavor. Then turn the stove to high heat and stir fry for about 1 minute until the beef is just cooked and the spring onion is not raw. Don't cook for too long, otherwise the beef wouldn't be tender. After that, you can transfer it to the serving plate. The robust taste of spring onion and the beef match very well with each other. And it is one of my favorite recipes because when I have a bunch of spring onion left, it's a good way to finish the ingredients. And of course, it tastes really delicious, as you can see. Enjoy!